welcome and thanks for joining to another SwiftUI short tutorial. Today I'm focusing on a view modifier that becomes handy quite often, especially when using buttons or creating custom tappable views. And what I'm really talking about is the contentShape view modifier. This modifier is purposed to define tappable or actionable areas when they are not so by default. To see how it works, let's jump straight into an example. What I've got here is a simple list that presents a series of numbers using a custom view in a for each container. I named this custom view item, and it accepts the number to show as argument. This view contains just a button that toggles the value of a flag named isSelected. The button's label is an h-tag with a system image and a text view that displays the given number. In addition, there are a few view modifiers that style the contents of the h-tag and specify a frame for the button's content. When isSelected is true, then content becomes bold and red, and the displayed image gets changed. Now, let's give it a try to the preview. See that when I click on either the image or the text, I can interact with the button and the flag's value gets updated. As a result, the appearance of the selected button is changing. But whenever I click anywhere else on the button, then nothing happens at all. That's something I need to change, as I want my users to tap anywhere on my button and trigger the update on its state. To fix that, I can simply use the contentShape view modifier. I'm going right after all the other view modifiers and I'm adding it. As argument, I'm providing the shape of the area in the target view that I want to make tappable. I'm adding a rectangle shape, and that's what you will use in the majority of the cases you are going to apply the contentShape. Let's go back to preview, where this time I can click anywhere on the button and update its state. And the solution to my problem came that easy by just using the contentShape view modifier. Note that it's suitable to use it both in buttons and in custom container views, such as a vStack or hStack, where we can assign interaction using the onTap gesture view modifier. That's all in this quick tip in SwiftUI. I demonstrated here one use case only, but we find out that contentShape is a really useful view modifier in other occasions too. Before leaving, please thumb up if you liked this video, and subscribe to get notified when more videos are becoming available. Stay around for new tutorials, thanks for watching and take care.